There's now confirmation that a credit card with 6 3x back categories is coming to you on July 16, 2022. Don't know what I'm talking about? Well, you'll want to check out this video. Hey everyone, Eric here, and welcome back to this week's What's Happening in the Credit Card World. Where I give updates to news that you'd otherwise might miss due to various reasons. The last thing I want as a credit card YouTuber is for my audience to miss out on potential rewards and deals that would have otherwise helped you earn more cash back when you were paying with your credit cards. And while all of this information can be found on websites like drfcredit.com or 1mileatatime.com, some people just don't have the time to read it all. So consider this an audiobook or a visual book for weekly updates about the credit card world that just might pique your interest. Granted, some of these deals and rewards might expire by the time you watch this video, so please consider subscribing to keep up with the latest updates. Also, according to YouTube analytics, only a very small portion of you that watch my videos are actually subscribed. So if you end up liking this video, please consider subscribing to help me on my quest to get to 1,000 subscribers, so I can push out even better content for everyone. So with the intros being done, let's get into this week's updates. Remember the rumors last month about Wells Fargo coming out with a new credit card called Autograph? Well, those rumors that were originally from Reddit have finally come out with some legitimate news media coverage. Business Wire posted an article on Monday that Wells Fargo is indeed releasing a new credit card called Autograph that offers 3x points across top spending categories. This brand new no annual fee credit card will have a 30,000 point sign-up bonus with 6 different 3x back in points categories. That's 3x on restaurants, travel, gas stations, transit, popular streaming services, and phone plans. The one category I am eyeing on is the 3x back on gas stations. And the reason being that since it's a Visa signature card, which means it'll have all of the different Visa signature perks, it also means that you can use this credit card at Costco. Aside from the Bank of America's customized cash rewards credit card, there's no other Visa specific no annual fee credit card that gives 2x back on gas stations. The only credit card that I know that gives more than 3x back on gas is Costco's Citi co-branded credit card that gives 4x on gas. However, you have to be a Costco member in order to get that credit card. So this category, along with the other 5 3x back categories, makes it an extremely enticing credit card to get. Understandably, however, a lot of people are wary about this credit card, as Wells Fargo has had a lot of negative press in recent years. So as always, please do your own research before diving in head first when you decide to get this credit card. As for me, the reason why I'll be getting this credit card is because I'll be product changing my already existing Wells Fargo Platinum credit card. This credit card right here only earns you 1x back on everything, so I figured if I'm gonna have a credit card with Wells Fargo, why not make it a better one? Up next, American Express decided to be a little self-destructive this week and essentially ruined the American Express Marriott Bonvoy Brilliant credit card. For those of you out there that have this credit card, you should remember that it comes with a $300 statement credit that could be used on purchases on Marriott properties. However, American Express has just announced that as of September 22nd, 2022, that $300 statement credit will be changed into a $25 restaurant credit that is provided to you every month. As confusing as that might sound, if you know anything about American Express, that shouldn't come to you as a very big surprise. Many of American Express's premium credit cards, such as the Platinum and the Gold, have the coupon book-like statement credits that come in monthly stipends. And actually, speaking about the Marriott Bonvoy program, Marriott's other credit card partner, Chase, is actually providing some pretty good sign-up bonuses themselves. If you decide to go for the Marriott Bonvoy Boundless credit card, you have the ability to earn 5 free nights after spending $5,000 or more within the first 3 months of account opening. These 5 free nights has a redemption value of up to 50,000 points, which means these nights are valued at a total of 250,000 Marriott Bonvoy points. Moving right along, this has already been covered in last week's video, but I figured to put this in this one as well. Amazon has announced when their Prime Day will be, and with it, there's a bunch of savings and cashback that you need to know about. First, Amazon announced that their Prime Day will be July 12th and the 13th. And with it, if you have the Amazon Prime Rewards credit card, you'll earn an extra 1% when using this card during Prime Day. And you actually didn't hear this from me, but if you don't actually see any juicy deals for Prime Day, you could use that Prime Rewards credit card to get gift cards to use in the future. And now there's also news of a $12.50 in promotional credit when you spend $50 on Amazon gift cards. Another addition is that with any Amazon Prime credit card, that's the Prime Rewards, Prime Store, or the Prime Secured, all have anywhere between 10% to 25% cash back when using these credit cards between now and Prime Day. Also, these deals will probably get new additions over time. So just to recap, not only will you get 6% cash back when you use your Amazon Prime Rewards credit card on Prime Day, you also get a $12 $1.50 promotional credit when you buy a $50 Amazon gift card. And Amazon is offering all the way up to 25% cash back from now until Prime Day. Another update is that for those of you out there that are interested in getting the Amazon Prime's rewards credit card, there is a new sign-up bonus of $200 Amazon gift card when you sign up. All right, who's ready for some lightning rounds? Ready? Let's go. First up, some of Chase's co-branded credit cards, that's Southwest, Marriott, United, now have the ability to earn 5x back on groceries, gas, and home improvement. Pretty good way to earn some extra points during the summer in case you needed just a little more to get some great deals on your next vacation. And speaking of extra points, American Express is offering a new sign-up bonus for the Platinum credit card. The new sign-up bonus offer that's floating around is 100,000 points after spending $6,000 or more within the first 3 months of account opening, and then 5x back on grocery, gas, restaurants, for up to $15,000 during the first 6 months. If you're able to spend $15,000 in 6 months, it'll mean a total of 175,000 points earned with this new sign-up bonus. Not bad. American Express has also been sending out an offer to earn 5x bonus membership reward points for up to 1,500 points. That's $300 spent on Amazon. And the offer conveniently starts right before Amazon Prime Day, and then it ends 1 month later on August 19th, 2022. Continuing the trend, American Express is also offering an extra 3x points on Hilton stays for some Hilton Honors credit card holders, meaning that's 10x back for the Honors credit card, 15x back for the Surpass, and 17x back for the Aspire. With Citi, you might have not heard about this credit card before because it is no longer available to the public, meaning it's grandfathered, but for those of you out there with the Citi Dividend credit card, terrible name by the way. If you go on Google and search up Citi Dividend, you're only gonna get its stock. But anyways, the Citi Dividend credit card was Citi's version of the Chase Freedom Flex or Discover's Discover It cashback credit card. Its new rotating 5% categories are gas stations and home improvement stores, following the same path as other rotating category credit cards, pretty synonymous with the summer. T-Mobile has announced that Magenta plan customers now get free access to Wi-Fi on Alaska, Delta, American Airlines domestic flights. While Max customers do get unlimited Wi-Fi and streaming, other Magenta customers will get 4 full flights a year and then 1 hour on each extra flight after 4. And finally, to wrap up this video, Chase is offering 30% extra when you transfer your ultimate reward points to British Airways Avios. Chase is also offering 50% extra when you transfer your ultimate reward points to Marriott. And Citi is offering 40% extra when you transfer your ThankYou points to Qatar Airways. So if you're looking to go on vacation and want to get more bang out of your buck, consider these limited time offers. If you want domestic airline companies, British Airways Avios actually works with American Airlines, as well as Qatar Airways. Alright, those were the relevant deals that I saw for the week of June 27, 2022. If I somehow helped you save money this week, please feel free to like and comment on the comment section down below. Also, please consider subscribing and ringing that notification bell to receive up-to-date and relevant news, and to also push me to 1,000 subscribers so I can push out even better content to everyone. These videos in the meantime will be coming out every single weekend on Saturdays at 12 p.m. Eastern Time. That's 9 a.m. for those of you out there on the West Coast. And with that all being said, thank you for watching as always. Stay safe out there, everyone.